Welcome back to the video, guys. Today we have a surprise video. We're gonna be blowing up sodas and other stuff. So let's get to it.
Well, you go first.
All right.
Tell us which one we're doing first.
So I'm gonna do
Classical spin drift.
sparkling water. I just
Shake it up.
I do a shaky.
Sadly, guys, Sam isn't here today. He injured his thumb.
And he is dead.
And
Yeah.
he is.
He's having surgery right now.
He's not.
And if the doctors mess up the surgery, he might
Dude, what
he
are
might
you
pass
doing?
away.
Keep the.
All right, here we go. Back to the situation. Oh, it's up. It's down. All right, Jake, you go next.
Wide open. No, I have one more to do.
No,
we take turns.
take turns. Look at the cup. Look at the cup. Oh, did you see?
Wide open.
Wide open, baby. Taking a spin drift for Jake too. Shake it up. Shake it up. Quick, dance break. Dance break. All right, here we go. It's up.
Oh, that's a miss.
I caught it. Oh. Out. Look.
Miss.
All right, read it.
There you go.
I hit.
Up.
That's a hit.
Boom.
Not high enough. Oh!
Oh. It's
Sprinkle,
sprinkling.
Sprinkle, sprinkle.
Sprinkle.
Oh, that's nasty. Oh my god.
That's disgusting.
Come on.
Dude, that tastes so bad.
All right. You got me.
Wide open.
Quick dance.
First to do. All right. No, stop. All right. First to do is V8.
V8, all right.
This time we're going straight down. All right.
Straight
We're
down.
not doing upsies. Straight down.
The spike.
Wide open.
All right. Oh, it smells delicious. All right, here we go, Huff.
The shake.
He's always doing the V8 too. Let's see the toss for the V8. Oh, pretty juicy.
Love you, little bit. What? FedEx.
Oh, that was lame.
What?
Look at the look at the cup. Look at the cup. So, shotgun? Yes, sir. All right, here you go. Spin drift to Jake.
Actually tastes super good.
Hey, I get the last two.
Yes, sir.
It just nailed Will in the shin.
Ah, it's so stiff.
Alright,
All right, the last two are going to be spin drifts.
shake it up. Dance break.
Like Finn
Alright, ready?
Beerheart.
Three, go.
It's out.
It's a miss.
Oh,
I thought that was a snake.
It is.
No, it's not.
I swear to God, it is.
it's a snake.
It just stopped.
It's right there. It's a snake.
Are you
Yes. Did you not hear that's like thing?
That
like,
was the.
Go get it, Will.
No, I'm not going to get it. Another spin drift.
All right,
Wait,
last
dance break again. Dance break. Oh. Do it again.
You do it. Turn face well. Alright, ready?
All right.
Oh, that's a.
Hey,
Woo!
all right, ending. Will.
Alright.
Ending.
Well, that's the end of the video, guys. What the hell are you doing, Jake? That's the end of the video. And we'll be back at you again, probably soon, later this week, because we're going to be in Pittsburgh for a baseball tournament, play some wiffle ball, go to the Pirates game. It's going to be lit. Peace. Pause it, Jake.
And I